In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create music with Microsoft Copilot using the Suno plugin. If you've ever wanted to turn an idea into a complete song without opening a digital audio workstation, this is a simple and surprisingly powerful way to do it. You'll work entirely in a chat window, and the AI will handle lyrics, vocals, and the instrumental backing for you. First, make sure the Suno plugin is enabled inside Microsoft Copilot. Open Copilot in your browser or app, look for the Plugins or Extensions panel, and toggle Suno on. If you don't see it right away, check the plugin catalog and add it, then confirm that it's active. Once Suno is enabled, you're ready to create. Now head to the chat box and type a detailed prompt describing the song you want. Clarity here makes all the difference. Tell Copilot the genre, mood, and topic you have in mind. You can also mention the tempo or energy level, instruments you'd like to hear, the vibe you want the vocals to convey, and any structure preferences such as verse, chorus, and bridge. For example, you could write, create an upbeat pop song about finishing a tough project and celebrating with friends with bright synths, a catchy chorus, and confident female vocals. Keep it around 2 minutes, cheerful and motivational. The more specific you are, the closer the result will match your vision. Send your prompt and give the AI a moment to work. Behind the scenes, Copilot with Suno composes the lyrics, performs the vocals, and produces the music to match your description. When it's ready, you'll see a playable track right in the chat, often with the lyrics included so you can follow along. If the first version isn't perfect, refine your prompt and try again. You can ask for a different mood, swap instruments, adjust the vocal style, tweak the length, or specify a new topic, all in natural language. Keep your instructions focused and consistent so the system knows what to prioritize. Short, clear edits like make it slower and more emotional, or add acoustic guitar and soften the drums work well. When you're out happy with the result, you can share your new song straight from the Copilot interface. Depending on your setup, you may be able to copy a link or download the audio so you can post it, send it to friends, or use it in your projects. That's all it takes. Enable the Suno plugin, write a descriptive prompt, and let the AI generate your lyrics, vocals, and music. Have fun experimenting and enjoy turning your ideas into shareable tunes.